Okay, can we talk about the sneeze moment for a second? You know, that tiny split second where you brace your whole body just in case. After having children, a lot of women are told to just do Kegels, but no one really explains how the pelvic floor actually works. It turns out it's not just about strength, it's about coordination and understanding how your core functions together. There's a book called The Pelvic Floor Handbook that explains it clearly and practically. If you've ever wondered why no one broke this down sooner, it's worth looking into. You can find it on Amazon and TikTok Shop.